Bịa n'ule, come and see, an Igbo spiritual song. Ndewo, this is Yvonne Mbanefo and welcome to Learn Igbo Now Challenge. The lesson for today is titled Bịa n'ule, come and see, and it's a short Igbo spiritual song. But before we start, we're going to look at 6 key words that we will learn in this song, and it's quite a short song but easy to remember. Bịa, come. Bịa ka m gwa gị, come, let me tell you. Gwọ, treat or heal. Ọgwụ a ga-agwọ isi ọwụwa gị. Ọgwụ a ga-agwọ isi ọwụwa gị. This medicine will treat your headache. Ọrịa, ọrịa. Sometimes you hear ọya. It's the same thing, ọya or ọrịa. It's just a dialectical difference. Ọrịa, illness or sickness. Kedu ụdị ọrịa bụ ihe a? What kind of illness is this? Ọrịa, illness or sickness. Mma, good. Mma is also used for beautiful, but mma is good. Mkpa, need or necessity. Mkpa, need or necessity. Sometimes mkpa is also used as the word important. Ihe a dị m mkpa. This is important to me. But in this context, it's need or necessity. Mkpa. Kedu mkpa gị ugbu a? What is your need right now? Igbo mkpa. Igbo mkpa is to satisfy or meet a need. Igbo mkpa, to satisfy or meet a need. Now for the song. But before we start the song, I just like to say, whenever you see NU, then it usually indicates plurality. So when it's saying Bịa n'ule, it's telling everyone to come and see. So Bịa le is come and see when you're talking to one person. But when you're talking to many people, Bịa n'ule, you all should come and see, or you guys should come and see. So the NU here, no, indicates plurality. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-eme mma. Bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-agwọ ọrịa. Bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-egbo mkpa. Bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-agwọ ọrịa. Bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-eme mma. Bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-agwọ ọrịa. Bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule, bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-egbo mkpa. Bịa n'ule onye ahụ na-agwọ ọrịa. And so the words we've learnt in this song are bia, come, gwo, treat or heal, oria, illness or sickness, mma, good, mkpa, need or necessity. Mkpa is also the word for important, so it depends on the context of the sentence being used. Igbo mkpa is to satisfy or meet a need. And so your task, as always, is to learn how to sing this song as accurately as you can. I've purposely toned it down and sang it a tad slower than normal. Just try and make new sentences with these words that we've learned today. In conclusion, always remember that practice makes perfect and that each effort you make brings you closer to your Igbo language and culture learning goals. Messia. See you on the next lesson. Dalo. Thank you for watching. To improve your Igbo learning, go over to www.learnibonow.com and download our free printable flashcards, which has audio support. You'll also get access to our weekly newsletter full of useful tips to improve your Igbo language learning, history, and heritage. Messia. See you on the next video.